What's up guys, my name is Shazli and welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we are talking about the VR Mini. I bought this item last week which has been very useful for me. I do use it to play game and watch movie at my free time. So I'm going to do the review and the unboxing. Without wasting much time, let's get started. So guys, this is the VR Mini box. It comes in this small box. As you can see, there is no much design there, just a little box. And this is the unboxing. You shouldn't expect much because it comes only with the box and a cleansing piece of cloth which you can use to clean it anytime the lens are dirty. As you can see, it's a small box and those are the handles you can use to adjust the size of the strap. As you can see, the VR box is written on it very big. It's a nice texture, and this is where you are putting your phone in order to use the VR. As you can see, it's kind of pulling, so once you put your phone inside, it snaps back without making it to fall or to shake. As you can see, this is the strap, but this strap of mine is very small for me, so I will have to change it. I haven't fixed a time for that though, but I will try to fix it. And this is the small cleansing piece of cloth which you can use to clean the lenses anytime it gets dirty to avoid a blurry view. So let me try to use my smartphone so you guys can see how it works. So you just have to open this side and clip your phone inside. It mostly works with most of the phone with a bigger size, but phone with smaller size, I think it doesn't work perfectly. As you can see through the lens, there are some visual stuff you can see inside. I'm using a piece of 3D picture which I made by myself, so you can see it yourself that it works. You can use it to watch movies on Netflix or to watch VR on YouTube. So this is what I use on my free time. You can see this is me using it. It's good, it's nice. You can also add your headset to it, so you can also feel the sound of whatever you are watching. Thank you for watching this video. Make sure you subscribe to the channel. See you in the next video.